Subscribe to Nikki Carol Danny.
Shut up, Nikki. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making spaghetti tacos.
Okay.
Because they're really good.
Like from iCarly.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go to Bumbershoot Day 3. So if you haven't seen my Bumbershoot vlogs, you should check those out. Nikki's FaceTiming people in the background, which is what that noise is. Anyway, we're heating up the oil right now, and then you have to deep fry tortillas to make the taco shells because it's really lame if you use store-bought taco shells.
This is some great lighting in here.
It really is. This lighting is terrible. Nikki.
There's a wall. I can't name it.
I'll show the ingredients. Our ingredients are these tortillas and this spaghetti.
And the sauce.
Oh. And
Sauce.
this. Also, we're at Alyssa's house, which is why the background is not familiar.
982?
Oh my god, you guys are I don't know. Okay, now we're boiling the water. Oh, that's gonna take some
Why are you watching a bikini?
Watching a bikini.
No, she's not gonna put them on, you freaking perv.
What?
Hello, I'm JoJo Siwa. Welcome back to JoJo Juice. Every Tuesday, I'm JoJo. Can I try that again? Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm JoJo. Wait. Hey, guys, what's up? My name is JoJo Siwa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back. Today I'm gonna go. What are Jake Paul's intros? What's Jake Paul?
I don't know.
Hey, guys, I'm Jake Paul. Welcome back to this vlog.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Miranda.
What's another one? Give me a famous YouTuber and I'm gonna do their intro.
I have glitter in my eyeball.
It's gonna sizzle. It's gonna sizzle. It's sizzling. She's beautiful. Hey, remember you have to pop holes in her. Oh, Alyssa, you might have ruined her.
Move out of the way.
You're not supposed to use that.
No,
You're
wait.
supposed to use tweezers.
No, wait. You're gonna burn yourself.
No, it's not that hard.
Alyssa, you use these to flip the thing.
You called them tweezers.
I don't know what they're called. Tweezers.
That was the practice one. We should also bring this over here. Anyway, this is how the process works. To put it over a rolling pin to shape it into a taco shell. Round 2.
Why is it so bubbly? It's gonna fall.
Oh god, it grew. This one did not work.
It's more of like a soft shell.
Yeah, that's soaked with oil. And then this one is good. Round 3. I contoured my abs this morning. I did, a little bit. I also need to pee again. Oh look, there's Nikki in the back. I need to pee again. And the pasta is in.
You have to break the noodles. Alyssa.
Too
Why
late.
do you want to break them?
So that
Then
they
they're
fit.
So that they fit?
No, because then you just wait for that part to bend and then it gets in there.
So obviously we don't cook a lot.
What are you doing with a spatula?
Don't put, you can't
Oh
put
my
that
god, you're gonna melt it.
in, Alyssa, you can't put that in boiling water.
Fool.
Oh my god.
We're using this in the oil too.
No, not in the oil.
I think she melted it. Wait,
It's definitely melted.
it's bent.
Hey, but look it's all in now and I didn't have to break it.
Nice. I'm eating a crunchy spaghetti. Alyssa, what are the odds you'll eat this soggy bit of tortilla?
1 in 20.
Nikki, can you count us down?
Huh?
Never mind.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
18. Darn. The spaghetti's ready. And my fingers are gross. I can't open it. I can't get it. Do you have any rubber bands? I'm not
Let me
kidding.
try.
Oh, see? You can't get it either. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna put a lot. Okay.
Okay, now mix it.
Gordon Ramsay, if you're watching, I know you're jealous. He wishes he could make spaghetti as well as me. This is a new shirt that I custom made.
And it's called Brandy Melville. I'm sure you've never heard of it.
No, look, I customized it.
Actually, oh yeah, you're right.
Here's our food.
Now, I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like
So much ASMR at once.
rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want
It sounds really nasty, but spaghetti tacos are so good.
to call me Cardi, Cardi, banging body, spicy.
Subscribe.
Molly, hotter than a Somali bird.